Page 75, exercise 4.1. This is unit 4. Talking here about rhythms. Dotted rhythms, different kinds of dotted rhythms. Now you've had dotted rhythms before, so this will be a nice review of them. Remember the rule, the dot gets half the value of the note, whatever the note gets. Here at the beginning in the right hand, it's in common time or 4/4 time. It's in the key of G major, 1 sharp, and you have a dotted quarter note. A quarter note gets 1 count in common time. If it gets 1 count, the dot gets half count. You simply add them together, so it's 1.5 counts. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Does that sound familiar? So it's 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and etc. The quarter notes in the left hand to help out a little bit because they're playing on the beat. So it's 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. And you gradually get it, then you gradually speed it up. If you look at the vertical alignments of the two staves and the notes, you can see the first notes are played at the same time, but then the next notes are not. The left hand is played first and then the right hand. But then the next notes are same time again, and then the next notes are not. And that might help you some. Then we get down to the second line. Oh boy. Now we have dotted 8th notes and a 16th note. So now the 1 and 2 and ain't working so good. It's got to be a 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4 and a. So really slow. 1 E and 2 E and 3 E and E and 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 E and a 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 E and a 1. So with the the left hand playing the quarter notes, 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 and the idea is you work up the rhythm rather than just waiting for me to play it and then copy me. Figure it out. And dotted rhythms all over this, so you work all that out and have fun with it. And that's what this exercise is about here, is those dotted rhythms. They are very important. The only little things I want to point out now would be a little bit like in the left hand, the very last measure at the bottom. The 2 voices going, and you can tell that by the stems. So you have here a G and a C. The G's tied. The C to the B can't be tied because they're 2 different notes, so it's a slur. The point is you're going to hold the G down for the whole measure, all 3 counts, and you're just going to play the B. So, like so is how that works. So you have fun with exercise 4.1 and ask me questions if you have them.